a little boy that was in the, I think the guy's in junior high school, and he does these out of thin air. These are little warriors. Let's see if I can, yeah. These are warriors, and he does them out of thin air with pipe cleaners in a few minutes, and this stuff is coming from a whole nother dimension. And so we brought these home, and immediately when we brought these home and put them around the altars, because I went to Chicago to do a lecture back in February, immediately when we did that and put them around the altars, the next day the stock market crashed. And they have to put money, so we talking,
Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
What up, what up, what up, my people? Dre Miles here for another one. Sitting on top of the world. Are you in your world or theirs? This is an illusion. This is an illusion. This is an illusion. And in this illusion, in this matrix, you are in control of your construct. Everything you see around you is what that part of you that knows is projecting to you. It's your quote unquote higher self giving you plays that you're programming it with. An Egyptian deity named Osiris or Osar represents this energy stream. Subconscious mind. So the question becomes, if we know we're in control of this illusion, we know our true self is just playing a video game down here, well, why are we not playing the game? What's holding you back from the self-identity you claiming to be? The work. Fuck woke, do work. The work, and the number one thing in this day and time, the distraction. They're literally distracting you to be in their world. News, fear, schools, celebrities, Trump. Hell, even some of your favorite YouTubers are keeping your mind occupied and engulfed in what they have going on in their world. So they're literally programming you to play in their video game instead of yours. Listen to what Bobby says right here.
A little boy that was in the, I think the guy's in junior high school, and he does these out of thin air. These are little warriors. Let's see if I can, yeah. These are warriors, and he does them out of thin air with pipe cleaners in a few minutes, and this stuff is coming from a whole nother dimension. And so we brought these home, and immediately when we brought these home and put them around the altars, because I went to Chicago to do a lecture back in February, immediately when we did that and put them around the altars, the next day the stock market crashed. And they have to put money. So we talking, means you have a spirit pulling on you trying to bring certain things forth. So here you have the different deities, Isis and Osiris, the goddess Sekhmet. And this is ironic here because this collection is the Summit collection. I had to order this particular Sekhmet, which is the goddess of heat, the goddess of Kundalini energy, the goddess of love, and the goddess of fierce drink, and a goddess of battle. And I had to order this particular one because they only came out with this smaller one with the Summit collection. So I had to go online and order this one. And the day it came, it heated up. And when it got here, it was so hot outside. Until that was the day that it started the actual drought and the heat wave last summer. And it arrived with her, and she is the goddess of heat wave, or the goddess of the summer heat. Different ones per time.
So as you can see, Bobby is in his own video game, his own distraction. And he literally made everything about him, and who's to say he's right or wrong? This is an illusion, remember? Go crazy. So, when you're in this matrix and dealing with spirituality like myself and others, you understand that eradicating the ego when receiving these spiritual messages is a must. My ass sun gazed earlier in the morning about having a great day, and all of a sudden, I was laughing and smiling all day. Because I powered up my food with a prosperity affirmation, 2 people bought some of my shake cards, and 3 people bought Rich Forever Prosperity Oil. LoveLiveLife.com. I did my 823 guy ritual, and the Corona chaos happened. Yeah, that's right. That was me. Oops.
Boom.
How do I know it was me? Because this is my world. You, your own universe. And what is it to you to tell me that's not a fact? Cause and effect. For every cause, there has to be an effect. And I'm telling you straight up and down what it is.
Okay.
We're so busy looking for facts and researching to find someone else's truths. The real work and the real game is to manipulate your truth. The real work and the real game is to manipulate your truth. The real work and the real game is to manipulate your truth.
Message.
Who cares what others might say if they can't see it? Look at the Christians of the world. They believe in Jesus so tough that you can't tell them a motherfucking thing about their God. That's their world. They have to deal with their illusion. Your concern is your world. And when you understand that to the core, you'll be sitting on top of the world. Dream wise.